Okay, this fucking light needs to get changed. Look at that. Look at that. Stupid, broken, hated. Hey, look, a bug. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna swap this light out. Wish me luck. That worked. Not that wasn't me. What the hell do I need? You got a little spring assembly.
So I'm taking those forward. Now, there should be one little plug.
That'll be that. Then we'll get to open the new one. We wait. What am I missing? Okay. And there's our little plug. Getting broken, cracked all the way down. The only thing, I didn't see a new seal on this one. Whoosh. Fancy, wow. Wow. Not cracked. How nice. But yeah, there's no freaking gasket. So, put it in. But I'm probably gonna have to take it out again here. Pretty quick. Boom. Okay. Let's see if I have any gasket maker. I swear I had some. Max torque gasket maker. Fuck it. Let's try this. Okay, I think that's good enough. It's still on top. Sweet. Ah. Okay. Might not have needed or wanted to do that, but I did, and okay. Okay. New light back in, plug in, screw it in. Boom. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna go check out Logan, see how his suspension install is going. I hope good. I don't know. This might not be the best sign. You're not even out here. He fucking quit. Got them Bilsteins for the rear. Look clean as hell. Yeah, look at that. I saw they look fucking good.
By the way, you woke me up.
Good morning.
I've taken a nap since I last. Which, by the way, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of beat up the interest.
That's okay.
Got a little western.
That's what it's for, is beating.
So, eventually, what I've used are your fucking things too. By the way, I'm not gonna lie. Use that as a fucking hammer.
Hell yeah.
Because
You didn't have a 3-pound hammer.
so the lower control arm, I had to take off because here's how I'm attacking it. I'm taking off the lower control arm brackets, the bolt here and here that mounts the bottom. Thicker. I'll give that to him. Another thing, mine's thick as fuck. Look how thick their top hat. And then, to be fair, that don't matter because this is being pressed up against. So
Yeah, but that adds a little bit of height.
So that
coil,
right, my coil doing more work.
Yeah.
So I got more coil. Exactly, that's exactly what I was gonna say.
Well,
but if you look at this, look how much longer their coil is.
Yeah.
But what I recently learned by replacing my rear coils, because my rear coil, kind of upgrade.
Yeah.
And so I was really concerned about that for a little bit. I was like, oh, dude, I'm buying kind of a really cheap set. Maybe I should have spent a little bit more.
Apparently, Bilstein anything is nicer than Toy Tech.
But that's already an objective truth. But the Bilstein setup, I've seen some YouTube videos of comparisons to like some mid-level, because it's like top or lower in tier.
Yeah.
Like it's in some videos they put it as mid tier. Some people would put it as like low tier.
It's a good start. Freaking muscle man, getting it easy as fuck this time. What you mean? Fucking tightening this shit.
You are.
Same thing, other side.
On that son of a bitch. Hey.
I'm spinning it for you.
Let's see.
You on it now?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like that should be enough.
Alright. Still got to try it. So here's what I did last time. Exactly. See? Shimmy it for a second, it'll do it, and that gives you like the okay, it's gonna do it kind of bug. Hold on, shit, let's turn it on.
This is broken.
What? Could just touch the bolt.
Okay.
That's what's gonna, so that lower control arm, bolt joint and everything, this whole thing, and these two swindle points are gonna come down, see? So what we're going to do is jack this son of a bitch with this. Like this. Cram this way under here to that point there. Hold on, let me get underneath it. It's gonna creak like a motherfucker. like this? So you got that motherfucker down?
Enough.
Come on. Here. Gotta come out that way. Watch, don't let it hit your hand. So here, come take my box. You weigh more than me, so come put a lot of tension on that. And then I'll pull this. Expanding up like 40 times. Okay, so it's gotta go in the same way.
Got her out. It's going back in.
Alright, don't smash my arms, I'm in there. 3, 2, go. Okay, pack it, shapes like this. And this needs to go in it. But it's been squeezed.
Yeah, I get that.
I'm doing that right now.
No, everything's there. Stop. Only took 45 minutes. He was worried. Whew.
Oh wow. That was wildly different.
Day and night?
Off the curb, yeah.
Damn. Feels nice.
Yeah. It was always there.
Robin's racing. Does it go straight?
Yeah, absolutely. Tracks perfect.
Seems fucking legit. Okay.
It's hard to tell. You know what I mean? I need some curb action.
Gosh.
Feels great. I don't know. Feels absolutely great. Wow, no nosedive.
Yeah.
No nosedive.
That's huge.
Yeah, I don't know. I hit the brakes pretty well. I don't know. Some brakes by these dudes. They did a fucking whole engine swap or something.
Yeah. Subframe's out.
Yeah.
I'll go in there.
Oh, dude. Perfect. Oh, man.
Looks like shit. Feels fine.
Yeah. It rides really well. I should have to carry back. I don't know if that was a little steep.
Jump it.
Stiff. That's exactly how I want it. The old one would sag.
Yeah, you'd be bouncing.
Soft, yeah.
bug. Cool little bug. Blind as hell.